What's up everyone, I'm Bill, I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage. You guys are probably saying, why has Bill got his phone in his hand? Why? Because we have hit 2 million views on the channel. I have to give you guys a big thank you. Thank you so much for viewing all of our crazy videos. The Street Fighter videos have been off the chain. So thank you guys. We've hit 1 million views in our first year, but in the last 5 months, we've achieved our second million views. So I've got to thank you guys so much. You know, look, the YouTube algorithms are working. You guys are smashing that like button more. Please, real quick, hit that like button because they recommend our videos. The more likes we get, the more recommendations the Street Fighter gets. So please smash that like button. Comment down below. We're very active in the comments. And thank you for hitting that subscribe button. But I got to give you guys a huge shout out. Thank you so much for taking us to our 2 million views in less than a year and a half. So let's get 3 million views by, hell, let's do it by this summer. All right, but wanted to take you guys on a journey. We've got the Street Fighter, we've got the forged carbon fiber already on, and we finally have gotten some accessories. We've been having a lot of problems with back orders. We've been having a lot of problems with this COVID stuff and just people being out of stock and just being able to ship stuff. So we finally have some accessories that we're going to install today. We're not going to make it an install video. We're just going to make it kind of a follow along with me video. But forged carbon fiber, as much as we could possibly find, is finally on the bike. We have the Sprint air filter finally installed on the bike. The new tail is on the bike. But today we are going to be installing, finally the new LED blinkers are here. And I saw some people talking about these and saying that they really didn't like them, that they're still too big. I have to say, I actually really like them. I've been running blinkerless, and it's a little bit annoying, but we're going to get blinkers back up on the front. We also have, although they're not the reservoirs that I wanted, we do have some new brake reservoirs. They're better than nothing. And we do have the matching to the levers, the TWM levers from Manny over at Moto Million. Thank you, Manny. He got us these next day to us, so we've got these going on today. So we've got some accessories. We're going to take you guys for the ride, and stay tuned because last weekend it was raining, so I didn't have any ride videos for you guys this week, so I apologize. But if you get, help me out with the Super Beast video. Poor Super Beast didn't get any views this week. But I know you guys love the Street Fighter, and I love building it for you guys, so thank you for all your support from the bottom of my heart. But let's get building this thing. Alright guys, so we've got the new Skycam installed. It's our aerial GoPro, and we're going to be replacing our gas cap. We're going to be replacing our reservoirs, and we're going to be installing the blinkers. So hopefully this will catch everything. Thanks for sticking around. Again, hit that like button. Let's get started. One down. I will say I love it and hate it. I love the black. I hate that they gave me silver screws. I want to get rid of the silver. I wish you would have given me black screws. So we'll get those replaced later on. But fairly easy, fairly simple mod, about 10 minutes to install, not a major thing. So let's get into the brake reservoirs and the clutch reservoir replacement. All right, guys, not too bad. Little finagling on my part because I have done the mirror delete. So the rubber washers that I had crushed and they weren't long enough. So I had to find some new washers because I have the bar end mirrors. So if you do the delete, you got to have these kind of spacers because the screws aren't normal. They're countersink. They're actually reverse thread. So, and then I opted to go with, Manny had some clear tubing, so I've got some clear tubing on there. I kind of thought it was looking cool. So, all in all, not the reservoirs that I like, but we'll probably do those later. I will tell you that I was able to get all of the air out, so hopefully no air has gotten into the system. But tonight what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to zip tie both of these masters open, so the air will come back up and bleed through the reservoir tops, and will keep any air from going into the system. So let's go ahead and get into the blinkers now. We've got to take off the gauge cluster. I've kind of already messed with it. Got to take the gauge clusters off to get to the wire harness and get those things mounted, and then we've got blinkers in the front. Well, that's it, you guys. We have everything installed, and I'd say I'm about 90% happy with everything. The only thing that probably bothers me the most is the silver screws on the black cap. But let's take a look around the bike and see what we've got installed. So we do have the TWM gas cap quick release, which is very, very nice. The new brake and clutch reservoir adapters and reservoirs, so very, very nice. We opted to go, well, I opted to go with the clear lines. I thought they kind of look cool. We'll see how they do, but I don't know. Maybe the black. Maybe I'll go back to black. Let's see. Oh, blinkers. Blinkers are finally on, and I have to say, like I said on earlier, you know, a lot of the people said that they didn't really like the blinkers, that they looked still a little bit too big. Well, let me give you a comparison of blinkers. I will take those LED blinkers over these big honkers any day of the week. So very, very nice. And of course, we do have all the carbon fiber already installed, so that's very nice. Let's get these guys turned off. So all in all, very, very nice. The bike is coming along very nicely. Let me know what else we need to get going on this bike. Give me some ideas. I'm starting to run out of ideas on what to do. But we've got a lot of stuff still. I've got a few things up my sleeve, but check it out. Oh, if you guys haven't seen, the Sprint F1 filter is finally in as well. So that's kind of a, you don't really see that stuff. But you guys, thank you so much. The like button. We talk about the like button a lot. It's more important than you guys know. YouTube's algorithms. If you guys smash that like button, I will appreciate it more than you guys know. Smash the subscribe button. Thank you guys for viewing. And leave me a comment down below. What's next? What's happening with Street Fighter? We're out back this weekend on the road. So stay tuned for more videos. But until then, we thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next video.